Let there be rain. Thank a good Lord. I could about do a dance. I was trying to get the truck and trailer unhooked before it come a monsoon, and then it come a crack of lightning. It scared the shit out of me, and I busted wherever it's at. It ain't a big place right there. Busted my forearm on the jack. So yeah, there's that. But I do think I'm gonna sit out here and watch it rain for a little bit. We've been needing rain for months now. The Holy Spirit's moving everything. Woo-wee. That's what I'm talking about.